everyone. How's your wicking bed going? We've just found out a way, thinking it through, how we can improve on the first ones that were made. Looking here, the elbow is the most expensive part of the whole system. And with a little bit of creativity, it's not difficult to make your own elbow that makes the system equally as effective, reduces waste and saves you some money. So let's have a go. So we just make a cut in the top of the container that will fit the downpipe. Being really careful, cutting away from myself so that it's not going to cut off any fingers or cause some tears. All good, look at that, no problem. So then fit the downpipe there, like that. Really simple. And then to be able to cut at the base for the egg pipe. So then at the very base of the milk container or the yogurt container, ice cream container, anything that you have available, just cut that right at the base. And there we are, we've made sure that we've cut it at the very lowest point of the container so that the water will flow out from there. Just put that in, that can stay like that, that's fine. And then the downpipe, that there we have it. A homemade elbow. Didn't cost you anything, a little bit of time. Saved on waste. Don't have to worry about it going to landfill. It's all good.
Great.
More wicking beds, we can grow. Great.